engaged? Wow, congratulations. So who's the lucky person? Oh, he's right over there. Nigel, I would like you to meet my friend Sommer. We met at yoga class. And Sommer, this is my fiancé, Nigel.
Hello. Sommer, was it? It is very nice to meet you.
Wait, what?
Excuse me, sir. I found that record you were looking for.
Oh, that was for me. I'll go with you. Nigel, what's wrong with you? Did you lose your memory again? Are you under a spell? Is V back?
No, I am perfectly fine, Sommer.
Then why are you acting like you don't know me?
It is complicated.
More complicated than the situation you just put me in?
Yes. There is so much you don't know.
Like what?
Well, for starters, my engagement to Octavia was arranged by our parents. Her family owns a very big company, just like mine. This wedding is pretty much a business merger.
A business merger?
Yes, one that my mother has wanted for years.
For years? How long have you been engaged? Wait, were you engaged while we were together?
No, it wasn't until after we broke up, but I always knew it was a possibility.
Why didn't you ever tell me about this? We've known each other for years.
Because I hoped I wouldn't have to. I thought it would ruin my chances with you. Last summer, I had plans to introduce you to my mother as the woman I intended to marry, but you disappeared, and everything went downhill from there.
You wanted to marry me?
Of course. That is why I got so crazy when I saw you with Damon. You are my best friend.
This is all too much.
Would you have said yes?
I'm not gonna answer that. You're engaged to someone else, so it totally doesn't matter now. But this still doesn't explain why you lied to Octavia and pretended you didn't know me. What am I supposed to do now? Lie for you?
I don't know why I did it. I just didn't want to introduce my new fiancé to the woman I am in love with.
How am I supposed to respond to all of this? I have to go. Tell Octavia I'm sorry.
Sommer.
Who does he think he is? You can't just walk around here telling someone you love them while being engaged to someone else. Oh, I'm sorry. No worries. Nothing's broken. Sommer, right? You're Caroline's friend. Yes, ma'am. Do try to be careful, dear. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. That was close. Callie! Aw, she's not here. Let me call her. Hey, Froggy. Call Callie on speaker. Calling Callie on speaker.
Hey, Sommer, what's up?
You got a minute? I really need to talk.
All submissions for the gallery must be approved first. No exceptions. Sorry, what was that, Sommer?
I said I really need to talk.
Hold that thought. No, that has to go in the back room. Sorry, Sommer, can I call you back?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, bye. And where are the flowers?
Oh, I don't know what to do. Knock, knock. Alex? Oh, Sommer, what's wrong? You tell me. You're in my room. Are you feeling okay? I feel just plain awful about our past. We are family. We used to be such good friends. Do you remember that? Yes, vaguely. Which movie are we going to watch tonight? Spacecrafters or Eating Light? Or we could play Just Dance. Do you think we will always be like this? You know, hanging out, being best friends? Of course. What could possibly break us up? We are starting high school tomorrow. Freshman year is going to be epic. Right, Callie?
Uh-huh, Sommer.
Don't you want to be friends again? And put all those negative feelings behind us. Start over. Act like a family.
Really, Alex? Do you mean it?
Of course I do, silly. It will be just like old times.
This is awesome, especially after the day I've had.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. We can go to the movies.
I did hear there is a new Spacecrafters coming out.
Get many petties.
My polish is a little chipped.
Find a way to destroy Octavia.
Yeah! Wait, what?
It would appear we have a common enemy. That backstabber, Octavia, who pretended to be my friend, is engaged to our Nigel. Can you believe that?
Well, first, he has never been our Nigel.
You know what I mean. If we team up, we can find a way to break them up.
Why would we do that? Octavia is very nice.
You've known her for like, what, 5 minutes? And I have all this loyalty?
No, I'm just saying she's new here and had no idea about your feelings for Nigel when the two of you met.
Like that matters. She is with him, which means she is against us. We have to team up and bring her down.
Or we can just go on with our lives like Nigel isn't the center of the universe.
Are you or are you not gonna help me break them up?
I am not gonna help you with that, but we can still get mani-pedis.
Why would I ever want to do that?
Alrighty then. So all of this was a ploy to get me to help you?
Duh.
And just like that, the old Alex is back. And I really need someone to talk to. Now hold your horses. I'll be there in a minute. Someone always shows up when it's time to take the muffins out of the oven. And that's what I call good timing. Summer, baby, good to see you. Aw, you too, Grandma. And did you bring my little friend?
Dorgo. Grandma. Hello. Biscuit. Can I have?
Sure, baby. Help yourself, you cute little thing, you.
All I will eat.
Now, Summer, what's wrong? What makes you think something's wrong? An unexpected visit from my granddaughter, that's what. Now spill. I don't know if I really feel like talking about it. Okay, I'll go back to making my muffins. Okay, I met this really great girl named Octavia who is engaged to Nigel. It's an arranged marriage. And he said he still loves me. Alex wants us to team up to break them up. I have a date with Damon who has been pretty perfect lately, but I still have some lingering feelings for Nigel. I can't talk to Callie because she's always busy and there's an FBI agent in town hunting aliens. FBI? You should have led with that. Really? We should be worried? No, honey. It's not always going to be easy in life. These things happen. Well, alien hunters are not a concern for most people, but you get my meaning. What should I do? It's easy to have all the answers when times are good, but the true test of character is when times are not. And matters of the heart can be tricky, but I think deep down inside, you know what to do. As for that FBI agent, try not to draw too much attention to yourself and be careful what you say. I've seen many agents come and go. But Grandma, I still don't know what to do about Damon and Nigel. Can't you just tell me? Work with me, child. I'm trying to get you to figure this out on your own. What do you want to do? I don't know. That's why I'm here. Sounds like to me the situation is already handled. Nigel is engaged to someone else. You have a date with Damon. What's up for interpretation? You're right, Grandma. It's time to really move on. He's made his choice, and now I've made mine.
So where's Dorgo?
I left him with Grandma. She adores him. But he thinks he knows everything, always putting his 2 cents in.
No, not Dorgo.
Yeah, and no one even asked for his opinion.
But you gotta admit, he is pretty cute.
And that's the only reason he's still around.
Oh, man.
He eats everything and wants a snack in the middle of the night. I had to put my foot down.
But he did help us out a lot in that other dimension. Dargo knows a lot of stuff. What is he, 60?
Yeah, and he won't let you forget it either.
This has been kind of perfect.
It's definitely one of my better dates.
It is very easy to talk to you.
Yeah, it was nice.
Even though we talked about Dargo the whole time?
Well, you know, baby aliens from other dimensions are great conversation starters.
Good to know.
Yep.
But before things get awkward, I'm gonna go.
Well, it wasn't awkward until you said that.
Sorry about that. Good night, Summer.
Good night. Summer. You should be more careful about who you bump into.
Baby aliens from other dimensions are great conversation starters.
Gotcha. To be continued on the next Sommer Cali. Okay, everybody, let's get ready. And can I get someone to turn that light on out there, please? Thank you. Sophie, you're like 20 minutes late. Look at you, looking all fabulous. That is not going to work. No, seriously, you're glowing. Sophie, I told you if you were late one more time, we were gonna have to reconsider renewing your contract. And that outfit. Girl, you should be on the cover of a magazine. Really? Okay, we can forget about it for now. Just go on and get in your spot. Let's get going. Works every time. Wow, Grandma's kitchen got an upgrade. Oh no, we're just shooting in my kitchen today to keep the cost down. You know, reduce overhead. Oh, I see. Make cuts on the show so you can spend more money on your wardrobe. No, that's not it. I bought this a while back. Looking all fancy. Why do people keep saying that? What do I normally look like?
Take two.
Okay, we're gonna shoot this scene one more time just so we can get some different angles. Wait a minute. Where are all the muffins? Oh dear, did he eat the muffins? Dargo, they weren't real.
Dargo knows a lot of stuff. What is he, 60?
Yeah, and he won't let you forget it either.
Cut. We're gonna try this one again. Just give me a little more personality, okay?
Summer. Dargo knows a lot of stuff. What is he, like, 60?
Yeah, and he won't let you forget it either.
Cut.
Okay, not the direction I thought that was gonna go. Let's try it again and make it happy.